supply versus infinite supply, and that things are priced in dollars. So the more the US dollar gets printed, the more the currency gets devalued, the more Bitcoin is going to go up, because it's not.
Charlie.
Yeah. They
Bitcoin,
predicted it.
100K, Ethereum, 10K. I mean,
Yeah.
so
So would you say what 2025 potentially? We're going to be looking at $10,000 Ethereum.
I don't know. I just know it's there.
Okay.
I don't like to predict times. It's
Okay.
more so the fact that it will happen. Just like people said, hey, Bitcoin's going to hit 100,000. You can't predict when it's going to hit 100,000. You just know that eventually it'll come. And whether
So
it
you
comes,
believe that as well, that Bitcoin will be a $100,000 coin?
Bitcoin will continue to go up because the government is continuing to print dollars. And it's not the fact that Bitcoin is just becoming more valuable. It's also the fact that the dollar is becoming less valuable. So you need to understand that it's limited supply versus infinite supply, and that things are priced in dollars. So the more the US dollar gets printed, the more the currency gets devalued, the more Bitcoin is going to go up, because it's not backed by nothing. It's backed by real energy. It costs money in order to mine a Bitcoin. Right now, I think it's about $45,000 or $47,000 to mine a Bitcoin. That's the energy cost that it takes to mine a Bitcoin.
There's a finite amount of them right now.
Yes, there's 21 million. There's more than 21 million millionaires, and there are circulating supply for Bitcoin, considering what's left over off of everybody that's lost their tokens and stuff of this nature. Not everybody's going to be able to own a Bitcoin. So once we hit supply shock and not everybody is able to get their hands on, that's when people are going to start running to the doors to get some. So get in early. The people that call it a scam, well, they're usually financially illiterate people, and that's totally fine.
And you know, I want to get your take on this. We've typically, you know, I've realized that, you know, Bitcoin has exploded over the past, you know, 5 or 6 years or whatever maybe. I remember when Bitcoin was like $3,000 a coin. Now it's 60-some thousand. Would you say it's a little too high for most people to get in, and they should look elsewhere, maybe into Ethereum or Solana or one of these other alternative coins that have a bright future?
Yeah, it's just understanding ecosystems and understanding where the narrative is. So you have narratives, which is long-term plays, and then you have trends. The trends are like, you know, people playing short-term trends. I think AI is a big narrative. I think gaming is a big narrative. And yeah, I just think people just have to pay attention to the crypto market. I don't think people should turn their eyes away from them and from these tokens and these products, because they're real. They're here to stay, and people are building real technology upon it. People were saying AI is not going to come out for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years.
Here it is.
And in 6 months, it completely revolutionized the way that people work. Where's it going to be in 5 years? Where's it going to be in 10 years? Are you just going to continue going to university, getting a regular degree, or you're going to take advantage of the opportunity of a lifetime, which is the fact that AI, digital currencies, social media, making money online, building digital businesses isn't going anywhere. The internet has been around for 25 plus years. It ain't going anywhere. It's the new gold rush. I call it the digital gold rush. And it was 1958. It was 1858. And the rumors in California were spreading to the east saying, hey, there's gold, there's gold, there's gold. People 20 years in were probably like, hey, once all the gold was mined, or the gold, most of it was mined, oh, well, it's the end. Well, it wasn't the end, because a 200-year gold industry was created from it. So a 200-year internet industry is being built and is being created from the birth of the internet, and we just happen to be lucky enough to be at the inception part of it, which comes with a lot of scams. It comes with a lot of
course.
It comes with a lot of risk, but no risk, no reward.
I think when in doubt, buy Ethereum, guys. I mean, Bitcoin might be a little too high.